I've got something to tell you, I think that you ought to know. I've had my eyes on you, babe, since a long time ago. And now I finally got the nerve, and I'm gonna make my move. Now don't you try to turn me off, cause it's gonna be hard to do. I got a thing about you, baby, ain't nothing I can do. I got a thing about you, baby, thing about loving you. Ain't no two ways about it, baby, your love was meant for me. I know that I can't do without it, it fits me to a T. Ooh, there's something about you, baby, can't get you off my mind. I know that I can't live without you, think about you all the time. I got a thing about you, baby, ain't nothing I can do. I got a thing about you, baby, thing about loving you. Oh. Just like a woman when she knows she's got a man, she'll wring you out and turn you about in the palm of her hand. And then she starts to thinking that maybe she's put you in a bind. She'll give you just a little love and it'll get you every time. But I got a thing about you, baby, ain't nothing I can do. I got a thing about you, baby, thing about loving you. Oh yeah, yeah.
Thing about you, baby. Thing about you, baby.
Oh mama.
Thing about you, baby.
Weevils took the cotton and the cows all took to dry. What the varmints left behind, the sun took up to dry. Trouble took to daddy like dewdrops take to night. Mama took to crying a lot and daddy took to wine. And I took the train out of there. I told the engineer I don't believe there's no help handy. Heaven help the ties that bind the family. Sister took to walking and brother he took to crying. Mama took up with newfound friends and I took up with crime. Hatred took the nighttime and the government took the day. Can't find no hands at harvest time and the hens refused to lay. And I took the train out of there. I told the engineer I don't believe there's no help handy. Heaven help the ties that bind the family. Flowers took to daddy and daddy took to gone. Sister took to black real nice and mama cried alone. Brother took up preaching and the bank men took the farm. The state came in and took Mama away, and she couldn't do herself no harm. And I took the train out of there. I told the engineer I don't believe there's no help handy. Heaven help the ties that bind the family. Heaven help the ties that bind the family. If I ever saw a good thing, baby, June. If I ever had a sweet dream, baby, June. There ain't nothing else I want to do but spend my time loving you. If I ever saw a good thing, baby, June. They say that one time in your life you find the one who'll stand beside you no matter where you go. Well, I know that it must be true, 'cause baby, I found you. If I ever had a good thing, oh, with you. You know that everybody needs someone to love, 'cause it's a lonesome soul who walks alone. Well, I don't know what I would do, baby, if I didn't have you. 'Cause it's a long and lonesome road to walk alone. If I ever had a good thing, baby, June. If I ever had me a good thing, yeah, it's you. There was a bad cloud in the north when I woke up this morning. And to tell y'all the truth, I was feeling kind of bad myself. I walked out on the porch and the day was dawning. It was such a blue day that I wish I just stayed in bed. heard the tree frogs calling, and then the rain started falling down on Beouf River Road. I looked up the dirt road, Lord, and the water was rising. I seen the rain up on the water and the little men dancing. My daddy said, y'all better get your things together, 'cause old Beouf River done overflowed its banks again. I picked up my cats and my coonhound, and we all headed out for some high ground away from Beouf River Road. Ever since the time that I got old enough to remember, oh, Beouf River has flooded time and time again. But we'd always go back and gather up all our belongings and open up the windows and doors and let the sunshine in. I know it may sound funny, but I wouldn't trade it for no amount of money. My life on Beouf River Road. If you see the train I'm on, wave to me goodbye. But don't you shed no tears on account of me. You know I hate to see you cry. Sometimes the train sounds lonesome, sometimes it sounds soft and low. But every time I hear an old train whistle blow, it always makes me wanna get up and go. If you ever think about me, I should I ever cross your mind, remember I'm a-coming back for you. Oh, it's only a matter of time. If you see the train I'm on, but don't you shed no tears on account of me. Oh, I hate to see you cry. Even trolls love rock and roll. One time I had this little band back home, a rock and roll band, and we was going to play this job one night, and it wasn't too far away, so we was walking it. Well, we came up on this long black stretch of woods, had an old river running through it, and an old wooden bridge across the river. Well, just as I was about to step up on the bridge, out stepped the troll, the almighty troll. He said, hey, looks like y'all going to play somewhere. I said, yes, sir. He said, look, like I hate to mess up y'all's job, but I sure could dig hearing a little music. I said, man, we can't just plug up and play right here on the bridge. He said, why? I said, cause. He said, play. And that's what we did. Well, the wind was howling at the night, and the moon was covered up with clouds. Walking across the bridge on a dirt road, when I heard the troll growl. He said, don't you go walking across my bridge, or I'm gonna make it rough on you. I will give you swamp fever, and you'll be wondering if you're you. You know you've got to pay the toll, 'cause even trolls love rock and roll. Ooh, it will keep you up all night, drinking and a carrying on, getting it to the swamp music. Get it on, get it on. Ooh, you know you got to pay my toll, 'cause even trolls love rock and roll. He said, look, y'all ain't making it. He said, would you mind if I borrowed that old guitar of yours and showed y'all a little lick? But since we'd never heard a troll play, we let him have it. And he said like this right here now. I said, yes sir, troll, you can play. Oh, the fever's not really such a bad thing. It's just hard to understand. when you see me start to boogie, well, you know it's got me by the hand. Whoa, you know you got to pay the toll, even through the rock and roll. As the crow flies, baby, well, I ain't too far from you. As the crow flies, baby, well, I ain't too far from you. Yeah, but since I don't have wings, well, I can't get home as fast as I want. Well, you don't know, baby, I've missed your sweet caress. Well, you don't know, mama, I've missed your sweet caress. Oh, yeah. Yeah, now when I'm in your loving arms, well, I'm at my very best. On a very fast freight train. As the crow flies, baby, well, I ain't too far from you. Oh, no, no, no. As the crow flies, mama, well, I ain't too far from you. Yeah, but since I don't have wings, well, I can't get home as fast as I want to. I awoke late last night and heard you crying softly by the window. I walked across the floor to ask what's wrong. And as I put my arms around your shoulders, right away I knew it had been too long since we'd walked hand in hand by the river, or lay for hours watching the skies above, or let our eyes hold each other across a crowded room. So long since we had taken time to love. We've got to take some time for understanding on that long and winding road back to love. Let's don't let our story have a sad, sad ending. We've got to take the time to love. So baby, come and lay back down beside me, and let me hold you close and keep you warm. We don't need no special plans for tomorrow. Together we will take it as it comes. We can walk hand in hand by a river and lay for hours watching the skies above, taking time to find all those good things we once had, taking time to love, taking time to love. £300 of hungry down to her house every Sunday. Boil them taters, butter them buns, licking that grease right off the bun. 300 pounds, tall as she's round, every pound of that body's so fine. I can hardly believe that it's mine. Hey, how that 300 pounds do amaze me when she gets down in the grave. But God almighty, what a soulful groove when she gets down in the barbecue. 300 pounds, long as she round, every pound of that body so fine. I can hardly believe that it's mine. Oh, oh, mine. Everybody asks me why. Do you love a woman twice your size? Well, don't you know, the bigger the better. That 300 pounds sure enough got it all together. Loving that Lord, getting them grits, loving her more the bigger she gets. Now let yourself go, you big old thing, don't you know? I don't care if you weighs a ton, long as I can butter them buns, your bun, my bun. that your wheat fields need working and there's just time before the rain starts to fall. But I just can't stay for the harvest. Cause tonight I'm heading down south. Goodbye, I'll see y'all. I hear there's a pipeline, hard hands, way down in Texas. So I guess I'll go and brush a wheel or two. Can you wait till I've made enough to get us through the winter? For the days are short and cold and work is scarce. The fragrance of your hair is in each meadow, and your smile has touched the wind. And as I work my way closer to you, oh Lord, it feels so good to be close to home again. When the leaves fall from the trees, look out your window. You to run just as fast as you can out to meet me. And throw your arms around me, 'cause baby, I'm home. Footsteps echo softly through the early morning hours. The slowness of his move should be a warning, but from the trash he digs a pair of socks and yesterday's flowers. What a way to start a Monday morning. He might have been a carpenter at one time in his life, and he built a lot of homes but never had one. Or he could have been a poet who had come up on some hard times, and all that he had left was just his sad poems. Could have been a singer with a lot of promise, but cigarettes and whiskey run his throat. Now it was hard to remember even a simple tune or the words to songs that he had wrote. Take me back to Memphis, I've got to do some thinking, 'cause I've been in this city way too long, and it lays heavy on my mind when I see another man having to make the sidewalks his home. In the town of Tipton, Georgia, on a hot and dusty day, you could see the heat coming off the ground. Up the street a man came a-running, stumbling on his way, and he shouted that the gospel's anger is coming to our town. Hallelujah, the gospel singer is coming. Hallelujah, the gospel singer is coming. He was born in Tipton, Georgia, with a voice as pure as gold, and his hair was golden as the sun. Drink and women were his friends, but the people did not know that he did not live the songs he sung. Hallelujah, the gospel singer is coming. Hallelujah, yeah, the gospel singer is coming. In a tent of thick tarpaulin, in a pasture near the town, the people came and waited all day long. There were some who could not walk, and some who could not see, and it was believed that he could help them with his songs. But the singer, he had grown tired of the life that he had lived, and to the rich and poor, sick and crippled, he looked at them and said, I cannot cure your illness, and I cannot make you see, for I have loved your women, and I sing to you for money. In the town of Tipton, Georgia, the sun was rising, but not a soul was seen out on the street. But some had gathered in the pasture and were staring silently at the shadow of the singer 'neath the tall and lonesome pine tree.